battle to fit in someone's space, especially when you must shrink to stay in place. If you have to squeeze just to belong, that space was never yours all along. Be okay not to be picked among the best. Sometimes rejection is divine redirection at its best. Don't chase approval, don't seek their view, because not every seat was designed for you. Care less about their chosen list and more about what you might have missed. The truth that lies beneath it all, who's doing the choosing and why you feel small. Never take to heart another opinion. They don't hold the power, they don't hold dominion. Their words don't define your worth or your role. They can't see the depth placed inside your soul. God created you. He knows who you are, not just your present. He knows your journey and how far. He formed your purpose with careful design, placed greatness in you, uniquely divine. You were never meant to blend or compare, but to stand in your calling, bold and rare. What's meant for you will never require disguise. No shrinking, no hiding, no compromise. So stand in your truth. Don't beg for a seat. The table you'll need, you're called to complete. Walk with confidence, head high, because you're chosen by God and that's your why. Because when He opens doors, no one can close, and what He has for you will always be yours.